Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you second lesson, so many kinds of animals. So this is a lesson number second, so many kinds of animal. The page number is 7. So all of them open your textbook. Student, all of them open your textbook. So now we'll start the lesson. So can you tell? So many kinds of animals. So many kinds of animals means बहुत सारे एनिमल्स आसपास होते हैं. सो कैन यू टेल क्या आप बता सकते हैं? सो यू विल इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज द एनिमल इन द पिक्चर. यू विल इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज द एनिमल इन द पिक्चर. रिकॉग्नाइज मीन्स पहचानना. टेल देयर नेम्स एंड ऑल्सो देयर स्पेशल features. Tell their names and also their special features. Special features means क्या special क्या बात है, उसमें क्या special बात है. So this is a small, see here, this is a small bird. This is a small bird. What do you do? ये क्या करते हैं? Fly. So then this is a parrot means पोपट. पोपट आपने देखा है घर में ही पोपट. सम ऑफ देम पीपल दे आर कीपिंग द एट होम ऑल्सो पैरेट. सो वॉट एवर वी आर टीचिंग हिम ही ट्राई टू स्पीक. सो घर में ही आप क्या पोपट को सिखाते हैं, वो बोल सकता है. देन एलिफेंट. दिस इज अ एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट इज द बिगेस्ट एनिमल इन द वर्ल्ड. एलिफेंट इज द बिगेस्ट एनिमल इन द वर्ल्ड. वो बहुत भारी है और उसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है? उसके बड़े ट्रंक मीन्स इज हैविंग अ बिग ट्रंक. देन दिस इज अ डियर. दिस इज अ डियर. एक तरफ के डियर है मीन्स उसको 12 सिंग है. मीन्स इज हैविंग अ 12 सिंग. सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is a speciality of deer. So what we call them? Barasingh deer. Then this is a snake. What is this? This is a snake. वो ज़मीन पर रेंगते वाला means he is not having a leg. So now can you tell? So next thing, this thing, can you tell? क्या आप बता सकते हैं? So this is a page number 7. I am teaching you lesson number 2. So all of them open your book. Can you tell? क्या आप बता सकते हैं? Name us animals that fly in the sky. Animals that fly in the sky. For example, birds, crow, peacock. Okay. Means they having a feather, पंख होते हैं. Then animals that live in water. Animals that live in water. Live means what? रहना. For example, fish, crocodile and frog. Have you seen while you are going for outside for picnic? So have you seen a fish, crocodile and frog? They live in water means रहना. Very large animal. Just now you have seen a very large animal. Which is a very large animal? Elephant is a very large animal. Elephant is a very large animals. Now very tiny animals. Very tiny animals means छोटा means very small. What we call them? Ant. Have you seen ant? Chitty. Then where will you find us? Where will you find us? आप हमें कहाँ देखते हैं? It is the meaning of where will you find us? आप हमें कहाँ देखते हैं? So an eagle flies high in the sky. An eagle fly high in the sky. An eagle fly high in the sky means what? आसमान पर ऊपर ऊंचाई means his eagle fly high in the sky. ऊंची. Then a cow walk on the ground. A cow walk on the ground. Walk means चलना. मीन्स काव जमीन पर चलते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट? जमीन पर चलते हैं. फिश स्विम इन वाटर. fish swim in water. Swim means तैरना. Swim means तैरना. Now we are of different color. Turn the page number 8. This is a page number 8. I am going to explain page number 8. So now look here. We are of different colors. We are of different colors. Different colors means alag alag. Then the egret is white. The egret is white. The egret is white means बकुळा. बकुळा means बगळा. In मराठी मध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात? बगळा. The cow is black. The crow is black. The crow is black means what? Kawwa. Then the buffalo too is black. The buffalo is black. But the peacock has many different colors. The peacock has many different colors. So बहुत सारे colors होते हैं peacock में. For example, see, look in the picture. There is a green color, blue color, black color. Okay. So there are many different types of colors are there for a peacock. So we may now next we see, we may be big, we may be small. We may be big, we may be small. We may be big, we may be small. Means क्या है? हम छोटे हैं और बड़े भी हैं. हम छोटे हैं और बड़े भी हैं. So look here. The horse and the bullock are large in size. The horse and the bullock are large in size. The horse means घोड़ा and the bullock means क्या है? Cow means it is a large means बड़े. बैल bullock means बैल. In size means आकार. The horse means घोड़ा and the bullocks are large means बड़े and bullock means बैल. In size means आकार. The goat and the dog are of medium size. The dog and the goat and the dog. Goat means bakri. And means they are not so big and they are not so small. So they are in medium size. The goat and the dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small. The mouse and the squirrel are small. स्क्विरलला आपण काय हिंदीमध्ये म्हणतात? किल्लारी means किल्लाहरी. The mouse are very small. The mouse are very mischievous. The mouse and the squirrel are small. Then see here. The earthworm and the cockroach. The earthworm and the cockroach are smaller still. बहुत छोटे हैं. And क्या होता है? बहुत छोटा है. So the earthworm and the cockroach. Have you seen at home the cockroach? The cockroach are smaller still. The earthworm. When it is a raining season, we can see the earthworm. So I hope you have seen the earthworm, student. Gnats and ants are very tiny indeed. Gnats and ants. Ants are बहुत छोटे होते हैं. It is very small animals. Now see here. Can you tell? So which animal run very fast? Which animal run very fast? What they ask? Which animal run very fast? Means which animal is running very fast? Can you tell me? Horse means घोड़ा. It run very fast. Then next question what they ask here? Which animal move very slowly? Which animals move very slowly? Tortoise. Have you seen the story of rabbit and tortoise? So what is happening? That tortoise run very slowly. So it is a very slow animal. Which animal moves very slowly? Tortoise. Okay. Now we move in different ways. We move in different ways. This is the page number 8 I am going. So all of them open and see it. We move in different ways. Means what? हम अलग अलग की तरह से चलते हैं. What is the meaning of that? We move in different way. हम अलग अलग की तरह से चलते हैं. So move means movement. It is a हलचल करना. Means what? It is a movement. हलचल करना. A squirrel is a small animal. It is a nimble. A squirrel is a small animal. A squirrel, खारुताई. It is a nimble. It climbs up tree quite quickly. It climbs up a tree quickly. Means what? It climbs very fast. Quickly means jaldi. And swiftly runs along its branch and swiftly, बड़े आसानी से, means what he was doing, one tree to another tree, means he jumped to one tree to another tree, very swiftly runs along its branch, means what, a squirrel is a small animal, it nimbles, it climbs up a tree quickly means jaldi, and swiftly runs along its branch, बड़े आसानी से इधर से उधर, one tree to another tree, so he go for very fast. Now see here, this have you seen, this is a squirrel, now this is another elephant. So the elephant body is bulky, the elephant body is bulky means bhari, bulky means bhari, its legs are heavy, its legs are very heavy, elephantचं पाय खूपच हेवी असतात, खूपच मोठं असतात, जर आपण 4 माणसाचं पाय मिळून सुद्धा त्यांचा पाय तेवढा नसतोय. So it is very heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed because he is very huge, and so that the elephant cannot run fast. So then it is a next we see a deer. What is it given here? Deer. The deer has thin legs. The deer has thin leg. Thin means patle, छोटे. See her leg is very short. So the deer has thin leg. Thin means patle and बहुत छोटे है. So it runs very fast. So it can run very fast. Now a frog. Have you seen the frog, student? So look here. A frog hind legs are long. A frog's hind legs are long. Hind legs means backside. Means hind legs means what? The hind legs are long. पिछने वाले means backside position. The hind legs, they are here. The hind legs are very long, and front 2 legs are there. Front 2 legs, it's very short, छोटे. What we call them? 4 legs. What we call them? 4 legs. So, and पिछने from the backside leg, it is very long. So it is called a hind legs. So it can easily hop. It easily can hop, jump and leap. Jump and leap. Hop means कूद के जाना. Jump and leap means छलांग लगाना. So I hope you understood this, student. Now the next page number. This is a page number 9. Okay, this is a page number 9. So till page number 9 I am going to teach today, and rest continue afterwards. So let's see here. Can you tell why do we keep cows? Why do we keep cows? So why do we keep cows? Because why the people are keeping cows in their house? So they give the milk. What they give? They give milk. So name some other animals that are useful to us. Name some other animals that are useful to us. Cow, horse, goat, hen. What we do? We keep this house because they are very useful to us. Means पालते हैं हम घर पे. Then why do we not like it? Why do we not like it if there are mice or bed bugs in our house? Why do we not keep their mice? Mice or bed bugs. Khatmal means what you do while you are sleeping. What you do? He sucks our blood. म्हणजे काय करते, झोपल्यानंतर ते काय करते, ब्लड आपलं when we are sleeping, what you they do, they suck our blood. So then you find us useful. You find us useful. People love to keep animals. People like to keep animals. People like to keep animals. The dog guards our house. The dog guards our house. Guards means रखवाली करने वाला. Means wherever you go to outside for bazaar or to buy something, if there is in your house there is a dog, what you do? He guards your house. Means he don't try to if anybody came, he not allowed to come him inside. Okay. सो रखवाली करने वाला, गार्ड्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गार्ड्स? रखवाली करने वाला. देन people like to keep cats. People like to keep cats too. Some in the houses you have seen some of the people are keeping cat, hen at home. So cow, buffalo and goats give us milk. Cow, buffalo and goats give us milk. And today you like also to drink milk. So see here, some people keep hens. Some people keeps hand. Hands means move. Some of them people are keeping hens so that we get meat. You like to eat. Then they give milk. And also what they give? Eggs from animals. From the hen what we get? Meat. You like to eat meat, na? So then milk, egg from animal. Then bullocks help with farm work. Bullocks helps with farm work. फार्म वर्क मीन्स खेत पे काम करने वाला, खेत पे काम करने वाला. हिच, हिच मीन्स क्या? खींचना. मीन्स टू अ कार्ट दे कैन ड्रॉ हैवी बर्डन्स टू. खींचना मीन्स व्हाट? हैव यू सीन अ बैलगाड़ी? दे कीप सो मैनी थिंग्स सो दैट दे that means what they do, the cow खींचना, he pull it. So so many they keep the burdens. So horses, have you seen the horses? हॉर्सीची घोडागाडी बघितले काय? घोडागाडीमध्ये किती वस्तू ठेवतात आणि घोड्याला ते घेऊन जायला लागते फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. And same way donkey also what to do? Donkey too are used to carry burdens. गाढवावर भरपूर वजे काय काय ठेवतात. And what he do? He go from one place to another. Then we look after the animals. We look after the animals and we look after the animals means rakhna, and we keep means khana khilana. Whenever we keep our home, so for example for cat or dog, we take so much care of that animals. We give him milk, we give him to eat. So he is like a member only, a family member. We feed them, khana khilana. Then we take care of them when they are ill. We take care of them when they are ill. When they are ill means what? When you are not feeling well, your mother takes so much care of you. He is not going anywhere, he is sitting with you, means you are not feeling well. So if your animal is not feeling well, what we do? We take care. And if it is very serious, what we do? We go to the doctor to show what is happening. So same way we have to take care of them when they are ill. Then the animals we keep become very dear to us. बहुत पसंद करते हैं. Means some few days, if 1 month became the dog, what he do? We told him to go outside, he is not living to us till death. So what we do, if he is not there, if he went somewhere also, what we feel? Very lonely. Where he went? आत्ता तर माझं घरी होतं, आत्ता कुठं गेलं असं आपल्याला होतं आहे. So the animals we keep become very dear to us. Then we the get crashes. क्रशर्स म्हणजे काय? कुतरने वाले animals means what? He bites. Whatever we keep the rice in the sack, what he do? He bite it and he destroy. So some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Mice and the rats destroy store grain. Whatever we keep, what you do? Mice and rat, he destroyed. म्हणजे काय? नष्ट करणे. काय पण तिथं आपण ठेवलं तर आपली वस्तू काय करतात ते? They bite it and they destroy it, everything. And grain. Beside gnawing. See here, while pronouncing, you should not speak split G. You should just say gnawing. Beside gnawing other things in the house. Then sometimes we find bed bugs in our house. Sometimes we find bed bugs in our house. They suck our blood. They suck our blood. Means if they suck our blood, what we feel? We feel very weakness. Spider makes cobwebs in the house. Spider, have you seen in your house? काही कोपऱ्यामध्ये तिथं झाडलं नाही तर काय होतं तिथं? स्पायडर, स्पायडर, कोपवॅब. सो mosquitoes, flies, gnats and cockroaches are a nuisance. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats and cockroach are a nuisance too. What mosquito do? Mosquito what he do? He bites it and he sucks our blood. So what we feel? We feel very weakness. So even so these troublesome animals too have an important place in nature. Means what he do? It is a very important place in a nature. So animals there is a place in that world, in their nature. So I hope you understood this, students. Read this lesson carefully, okay, till page number 7 to 9. So page number 10, page number 11 and page number 12 in the next day I am going to explain this. So thank you, students.